It is Sunday. It's Sunday, and I've been editing since this morning. I didn't vlog that at all because I was also playing Cookie Run at the same time. But I did just post a video. Go check it out. Link it up above. And today we're gonna be basically editing a lot, and I have a lot of other things to do. I have a list. I have a list of things that I need to do, but one day at a time. If you want to see the results of us cleaning the breezeway, go check out our video. Now I'm having this predicament. This lamp, right? It's a very nice, tall lamp. Very good, very clean, very nice. It's probably, like, if we were to buy one now, it'd be very expensive, right? Well, this was my grandma's before she passed. This right here broke. So I'm trying to find something to replace it. It's called Land La Home. I tried to look it up. It does not exist. I'm trying to find something that fits right here, and I can't find anything. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, I could not find a lampshade for the light that I was struggling to find. I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Marshall's, I went to Home Goods, I went to Home Depot. I went every place, like literally to every place, and nobody had the size that I need. So I went to Amazon. I literally looked online for like 5 hours yesterday. Not even, literally longer than that. 5 hours plus trying to find a lampshade. And then I ended up finding one on Temu for like $5. And I got that one. Today I'm gonna do some more editing. We're gonna see where the world takes me today. Right now, I'm gonna go turn on the sprinkler. So before my parents left, before they moved, right, they had a storage unit, and that storage unit is now empty. So I have to go to the storage unit, unlock it, and bring the locking key to the guy who works there. But I'm like, dude, you guys can't do that yourself? And then I'm also gonna go to Walmart because I need to get shampoo and conditioner because I ran out of shampoo and conditioner. Guys, today we're gonna break down some boxes. We have a lot of boxes to break down. Let's go and break down some boxies. Broke down all the boxes. This is what we have. This is what we're working with for space. It's literally was already empty today. Already full. Good morning. I don't even know what day it is. It's Tuesday. I was planning on cutting my hair this morning, but I'm awaiting a package. That package is hair products because I ran out. So I was gonna cut my hair this morning, but we'll see if the hair products come in time. Hopefully they do because I really need to cut my hair. I'm gonna cut like maybe a good 2 inches off. I don't think my package is coming in. I didn't really have a backup plan for what I'm gonna do for my hair today. So this is what I'm doing for my hair. It's giving Voldemort's leg bag serious black. I'm giving witch today because I don't want anybody messing with me, okay? But yeah, this is gonna be my hair for today because I originally planned on cutting it and the stuff isn't here for me to cut it, so it just looks horrible. I'm just gonna stick with this for today. And then when I get home, I'm gonna cut my hair. The way I just got a notification saying that my package is like down the street. Why couldn't you come an hour earlier? So I am running a little bit late today. Not a little bit, a lot of it. I am running late because I had an oil delivery guy come to the house so that he could fill up our oil tank, and when he was there he told us that the tank was actually full, which is great, but it's also not great because the gauge on my oil tank is broken, so I have to get that replaced. So I had to schedule an appointment to have him come fix it later today or whenever they have time to come fix it. I completely forgot to make my lunch. I just grabbed my phone and I left. I'm at work. I'm here, I'm present, I'm alive. I wish they could be like, oh my god, Raina, actually we don't need you today. You can go home. Oh my gosh, thank you. Actually, Raina, do you want to work from home today? Oh my god, I thought you guys would never ask. If I could work from home, my life would be complete. I want to take a design course to get my interior design certificate. But I don't have time. I don't have money. What to do? I could pay a monthly plan, but I'm also paying back my student loans, which is like $300 a month. I don't want to go into work. I don't want to. No. Now, do you guys notice anything different about me? Do you notice anything different about me? Well, actually, I cut my hair. Good morning. My hair is short because I cut it yesterday. This is it after I slept on it and stuff like that, so it's not like actually done. Here's the plan for today. Today, I'm going to work, then I'm going to dinner with my grandparents. I'm gonna get ice cream, and I'm gonna go home. So the plot thickens. I was supposed to pick up my grandparents from them dropping off their car because they're going back home. Yeah, the guy who's supposed to pick up their car and take it to where they live is MIA. So I just texted my boss being like, hey, like I'm having this like kind of emergency with my grandparents, like I need to help them, blah blah blah. I basically had to call out. That's not good. I won't get money. No. No. We're gonna do something. You and me. 1, 2, 3. Gummy. Oh my god. Guys, it's a fluffy caterpillar. It's so cute. It's so fluffy. Bro, so yesterday I took my grandparents on some errands. I went out to dinner and I got ice cream. I didn't film anything though because like I was with my grandparents, so I wanted to be respectful. Today I have a doctor's appointment in the morning, so I'm gonna be a little bit late for work. It's my long day. I work until 7, living the dream, and I am breaking out so bad right now. I'm on my period, I'm breaking out. I am living life to the fullest right now. I'm happy, I'm good. Yes, we're manifesting. Okay, welcome to my cooking time. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare Lucy's food. First, we take 1 sweet potato, and then we take this and we peel it. And then we take it and we cut it into kind of like, I guess, bite sized. And you might be asking, why aren't you using a cutting board? Because I want to. And then we're gonna take these and we're gonna put them in here because we're gonna boil the sweet potato. So I have the heat on like kind of medium high. And now we're just gonna wait for this to boil. And then we mash it up like so. And then I add about 1.25 cups of kibble to the sweet potato and I mix it up. So once it's all mixed together, I put it in her slow feeder. And then I do a little bit of salmon oil for her joints and for her coat. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Okay, go. Yummy.
Okay, so basically the rest of my work week fucking sucks, so here's a quick bit of me cleaning the bathroom after work Saturday.
We're gonna organize the bathroom. So first things first, we have so much toothpaste. This expired in 2017. You know what I need to get? I need to get like drawer organizers. I'm gonna add that to the list of things to get. These are all tampons that I keep for any guests, liners, any guests and stuff that come over. What is this? Alright, this is where I'm gonna put all the pads that we have for all the peoples to wear them. Perfect. Oh no, we have more liners. I don't know what would be the best way to put this, so I'm just gonna stack them in there. Or maybe I can reduce that. Because I don't really use tampons like that. This is just for people who prefer it, who need it. Okay, it's gonna close, but the reason why it's not right now is because there's a lot of stuff going on in here. I have no idea what this is, so I'm just gonna throw it away. Actually, no. It looks like it could be a tool of some sort, so actually I'm just gonna put this up. My bonnet. My bonnet! I don't know what that is. Stop this madness. What? Please! I was not expecting this to fall out. Did I just go right back in? Or no, I don't think I put that right. I mean, I think that's the way it's supposed to go. I don't think... No! What did I do? I did it. So in here is gonna be hair product, brush, clip, comb. For now, that's what's gonna be in there, I think. This is so cute. I think I should keep this. Oh guys, look, I cut my bangs. They're really short. Hey, Miralax. Not sponsored. Preparation H. Not sponsored. Oh my god, why are these so fucking slippery? Stop this man. What do you want? Please. All the alcohol stuff is gonna be here. putting band-aids in here. Ah! Oh my gosh! Okay, perfect. Alcohol. Band-aids. Oh, frickin' crap. So these are gonna be like stuff for the toilet or like cleaning supplies or miscellaneous or whatever. I'm gonna put this just right here, like this. Actually, I should probably like that. I've had this the hair dryer like since elementary school. I've had this hair dryer for a really long time. And it's gonna stay that way because hair dryers are expensive. Great. Ah! Oh my gosh, please. Enough is enough. Let's do a quick tour. So we got hair stuff. Does it look better? I think it looks better than how it did, or maybe it looks the same. We got pads. I know this looks better. And then we got this. This is better. Done.